Hey guys, here is another very quick and easy recipe that you can try if you are needing a last minute dessert. It is peach cobbler and it does not take long at all. What you want to use is a large can of peach slices with the juice, and you want to leave the juice in it. You want 1 cup of sugar, 1 cup of flour, and you want 1 cup of milk. So for every large can of peach slices that you have, you want 1 cup of milk, 1 cup of sugar, 1 cup of flour. And you mix the milk, sugar, and flour all together. Open your peaches and put it over into a casserole dish, and then pour your mixture over the peaches in the casserole dish. Now it's going to sink to the bottom, but when you put it in the oven, you bake it on 350 and the mixture rises to the top. And then once it gets to the top, now it's going to take a little while. This has to bake in the oven for about 45 minutes to an hour. Just keep an eye on it. And when it rises to the top and it starts to get a crust on the top, you'll want to take it out and butter and sprinkle just a little bit more sugar on the top. Put it back in for just a few minutes to brown, and it's done. This is not quite done yet, but I just wanted to show you guys kind of what it's doing. The mixture, of course, when you pour it in, goes to the bottom and mixes. I'm also meant to tell you, don't stir it. After you pour the mixture over the peaches, don't stir it. Just kind of pour it evenly over the peaches, and around the edges and everything, but do not stir it. But it will rise to the top and create a crust on the top, as you can see. You might still have some peaches peeking through, but that's okay. And I'm actually going to let this one cook just for a little bit longer, but you can see on the edges it's starting to turn brown, and so probably about maybe 10-15 more minutes in the oven, and then I'm going to take it out and put some spray butter on the top, sprinkle a little bit of sugar, put it back in for just a couple more minutes, and then it's done. Like I said, this is a really, really good peach cobbler recipe. It's very easy, very inexpensive, and super, super good. So give this one a shot. Thanks.